Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu students. I am Kausar Kiran from Southern Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Students, in your main subject business economics, now we discover another important topic, that is market structure. First of all, I would like to discuss your what is market. In economics, market means a social system through which the seller and buyers are purchaser of a commodity or services or a group of commodities can be purchased by interact each other. In this way, buyer buy the things and seller sell the things. In common language, what is market? Now we discuss what is market. First of all, market means a place where goods are purchased. However, in economics, market mean an arrangement which establish effective relationship between buyers and sellers of a commodity. Hence, each commodity has its own market. Now, market, the participant in sales and purchase. Market does not to a particular place or location. It reflects to a institutional relationship between purchasers and sellers. Market is an arrangement which links buyers and sellers in market. So, market can be different types. The market offer from one another due to difference in the number of buyers and sellers. Now, first of all, according to market structure, the first type is what is perfect competition. Perfect competition is a situation in which a large number of buyers and sellers are interact each other. But in economics, discuss four broader categories of market structure. Market structure categories into four categories, four types. Number one, perfect competition. Second is monopoly. Third is monopolistic competition, and fourth is oligopoly. So here we discuss what is market structure, what is market, and now we discuss what is the definition of perfect competition. Perfect competition is a situation in which large number of buyers and sellers are uniform at one price. The second is product homogeneity. Number third is perfect knowledge about market, and number four is price will be same. Price will be same and the product homogeneity, in which a situation called perfect competition. Perfect competition is said to be a perfectly competitive if it satisfies the following features. Following features are assumptions or conditions which you can say. Number one, large number of buyers and sellers. Under perfect competition, there exists a large number of sellers and buyers. In the share of an individual seller is to be small in the total market output. As a result, a single firm cannot influence the market price. That a firm under perfect competition is a market taker or price taker and not a price maker. Similarly, there is a large number of buyer and seller of an individual buyer buys only a small portion of the total output available. Second is homogeneity of goods. Under perfect competition, all the firms sell homogeneous products which are identical in quantity, shape, size, colors, packaging, etc. So the products are perfect substitutes of each other. In perfect competition, a large number of sellers and buyers, homogeneous product, identical are perfect substitute. In perfect competition, different product similar but not identical are different but close substitute. Price is uniform as the product of any product. Number third, of the different sellers in the market. are homogeneous. The price it determines forces of demand buyers and supply sellers in the market and acceptance by the all sellers and price takers in the market. Perfect competition, here firms under perfect competition are called price taker, not as a price maker. Price takers have no option but to change the ruling market price makers. So, here the following price changes lead to the market leader price. Price leader, price market leaders whose price change are followed by rivals. Perfect competition, free entry and free exit. Number 4, conditions, assumptions. So, our feature. Firm can enter or leave the industry whenever it wishes. The condition of free entry and free exit ensure that all the firm under perfect competition with a normal profit in the long run. If the existing firms are earning supernormal profit, new firms would be attract, enter the industry and increase the total supply. They will produce the market price and the supernormal profit will not sustain. On the other hand, the existing firm occurs supernormal loss, then firm would leave the industry, the reducing the supply. As a result, price will again arise and the loss will be vapid out. Perfect competition, their free entry and exit until profit maximization. The goal, number 5th assumption, condition or feature, profit maximization, the goal of all the firm is maximizing the profit. Number 6 is no government regulation. There is no government intervention. That means government cannot force or government cannot play its role because it's perfect competition. Government role is excluded. In the market, perfect competition. Number 7, perfect mobility of factors means that resources can move freely from firm to another without any restriction. The laborers are not form that they can move between jobs and skills. Perfect knowledge, number 8 is perfect knowledge. Individuals, buyers and sellers have perfect knowledge about the market, about the price, even free of cost each. Firm knows the price prevailing in the market and would not sell the commodity which is higher or low than the market price. Similar, each buyer know the prevailing market price and he is not allowed to pay a higher price than that. The firm also has a perfect knowledge about the technology, techniques of products. Each firm is able to make use of the best techniques of production. Number 9, absence of transportation cost or transport cost. Transport cost is zero. Price of the product is not affected by the cost of transportation. In perfect competition, perfectly elastic demand curve, that is 10th feature or condition or assumption of the perfect competition. Demand curve reflect by AR. AR means average revenue, which already discussed in revenue chapter. Cost and revenue analysis, we already discussed what is average revenue. Average revenue is always equal to the demand curve and price. In perfect competition, here the condition of average revenue. In perfect competition, average revenue, margin revenue, price and demand will be same. Average revenue means average revenue, margin revenue, price and demand curve is horizontal. Horizontal mean parallel to the x-axis. So, AR curve facing firm under perfect competition is perfectly elastic among that firm can sell as much as it want to the ruling market price, since price is uniform and given under perfect competition. Both average revenue AR curve and margin revenue curve became equal. Here we already discussed the main condition of perfect competition. If this condition is fulfilled, that is called sufficient condition. Sufficient condition is what? When average revenue, margin revenue and price and demand will be equal of any firm. So, thus average revenue and margin revenue curve coincide and become parallel to the output means x-axis. Perfect competition absence are transport costs, perfectly elastic demand curve. So students, here we discuss market, what is market structure, what is perfect competition, and here we discuss what is imperfect competition. Imperfect competition means the absence of perfect competition. Hopefully you will enjoy and you will main concept, clear the main concept of perfect competition. So thank you, this is all my side. So students, in the next lecture we discuss the 4 types of market structure, that is perfect competition, imperfect competition, monopoly and oligopoly. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.